So you want to learn how to make money in 2019? Hey guys, my name is Rahim and welcome to the channel. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any new video that I drop. So let's go to the video. So if you are new here, I do videos about how to make money online, even if you are a beginner like myself. So let's go to my PC so that I'll show you how it's done. So guys, we are on my computer right now. So my number one pick will be arbitrage, which is my favorite. With arbitrage, you don't have to know how to do it. It's like basically anything that you can do for people. There are people that will need business card or maybe like a website design. If you don't have idea to do it, you can get these people and go on site like teamforest.com and you can buy a template like $13 or maybe $10. This one is $11. If you buy this, it's loading, you can buy it and then maybe edit it to suit the person's best interest so that you can try and refresh it. Okay, it's not loading, but I'm sure you get what I'm saying. Or maybe you can go to Fiverr. With Fiverr you can get people to design even a logo for $5. So if someone is looking for a logo design and you can present yourself as someone who can design it for them, you get the business. You come on fiverr.com, and then when you come on fiverr.com you can get people to do it for you as low as $10 or maybe $5. That's number one. And number two is Upwork. With Upwork you can come on upwork.com, which is upwork.com. You can go on upwork.com and sign up as a freelancer, which means you can come on here. People post jobs on upwork.com, so you can come there. If you are a content writer, you can if you can make a speak over voice on someone's content, like a video. Some people make video and then they are not comfortable enough to speak. You can come here and look for and sign up, and people come here to post job. You can either come here and post job, or you can sign up to be a worker for here. So people come here to look for people to do jobs like for them, jobs like design a website or maybe design a business card or a view logo, anything that you can do. You can come here and sign up so that people will come and post jobs. So if you bid for it, or maybe if you contact those people, you'll be able to get one of these jobs to do. And that's number two. And number three is content writing. With content writing you can go to iwriter.com. On this platform, on this site, there are people looking for people to write content for them, something like article or maybe blog post, anything that you think people will be looking for your service. So if you are a writer, you can come here and sign up. Click here and then sign up. If you sign up, you'll be able to get one of these jobs to do. That means you can start with nothing with this iwriter.com. You can check it. You can sign up here, or maybe You can check it out if you are interested. And my number 4 pick will be drop shipping. With drop shipping, you can go on aliexpress.com. You can go on aliexpress.com. You can go to AliExpress and search for something like anything as low as $4, as low as 50 cents, or maybe like it something like so you can come here and look for fridges spinners. This was popular as in last. You can come here and buy something like this as low as $2. You can have it. You don't have to have inventory. You can make flyers and then maybe like meet people and talk to them about it. If they are interested, you can buy it and drop ship it direct to them. Or maybe if you want to up your game, you can run Facebook ads. So if you get any value out of this video, don't forget to drop below and hit the bell icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for